Welcome to Art Book Nook. My name is Kay and I share and review my collection of art and craft books. Today we're going to look at 101 Watercolor Secrets by Anna Bucciarelli. So whether you're a novice or seasoned artist, 101 Watercolor Secrets promises to be an indispensable resource that offers practical guidance, artistic inspiration and a wealth of knowledge to elevate your craft. This book has 253 pages, with lovely print and excellent paper quality. The book is thoughtfully divided into 10 main sections, which makes it really easy to navigate, especially when you're looking for something specific. You can dip in and out, find exactly what you need, and return to it whenever necessary. The sections include decoding pigment labels, exploring colour families, building your signature palette, tools that matter, essential techniques, favourite subjects, dealing with challenges and common frustrations, composition secrets, Anna's favourite tips and tricks, and unveiling your potential with strategies for growth in watercolour painting. I've decided to review this book as a video series, otherwise this book review will take well over an hour and I'm sure no one has the stamina for that. So I'll release a new chapter every day until we reach the end of this incredible book by Anna Bucciarelli. We've now reached the final chapter in this incredible book, Unveiling Your Potential, Strategies for Growth in Watercolour Painting. Anna wants to share with you the key strategies that have been instrumental in her growth as a watercolour artist. The tips contained in this chapter are based on her own experiences and may not necessarily apply to you, but she hopes they'll resonate with you, especially beginners who are eager to improve and develop their skills. Sticking to a regular painting habit when you're just beginning can be tough. Anna found that instead of creating random one-off pieces, her skills really started to grow when she focused on a theme and worked on a series. There's something about the repetition that helps you improve with each piece. It also takes the pressure off that "what shall I paint today" question that we all face. Anna suggests ideas like painting the same scene across the 4 seasons or producing a floral alphabet. In the case study, Anna shares a lovely series she created inspired by the Chinese zodiac. One of the things that really helped Anna to grow as an artist was simply painting subjects that she loved. She encourages you to do the same, to follow your own interests and not what you think other people expect you to paint. When you're truly connected to your subject, it shows in the work, and the whole process becomes much more enjoyable. Another really helpful strategy Anna uses is painting the same subject more than once. The first time around it can feel a bit daunting, but it gives her a chance to experiment, test out ideas and work through any challenges. It's like a warm-up where she can be playful. And then when she paints it again, she brings all that experience into the second version, applying what she's learned with more confidence. It's not about making an exact copy, it's about refining and deepening your understanding. And she's not alone in this approach. I personally know of 2 professional artists, David Curtis and Jeremy Ford, who both enjoy painting the same scene twice, but they do it in different mediums. David often works in oils and watercolour, and Jeremy switches between pastel and watercolour. It's a lovely way, isn't it, to see how different materials bring out different qualities in the same subject. And Anna takes a similar approach here, this time by changing up the materials. She experiments with different papers, brush shapes, watercolour mediums and special effects to see how each one influences the result. In the case study on the right-hand page, she paints an orchid as a way to compare cold-pressed and hot-pressed papers. It's a really useful exercise and shows how even subtle changes in your materials can make a big difference to the look and feel of a painting. And that brings us to the end of 101 Watercolor Secrets by Anna Bucciarelli. Wow, what a journey it's been! From understanding pigments and palettes to exploring tools, techniques and tackling common challenges, this book is packed with practical advice and inspiration. So whether you're just getting started with watercolour or looking to expand your skills, Anna's encouraging approach has really shone through. She doesn't just teach you how to paint, She helps you understand why things work, how to stay inspired, and most importantly, I think, how to enjoy the process. Her case studies, peppered throughout this book, offer real insights into how a professional artist thinks and works, and I have to say, I thought they were a joy to follow along with. If you found this video series helpful and you've enjoyed listening to each episode, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. The original video is over an hour long, and I'm sure that you would not still be awake at this point if you'd listened to that. I just ran out of words in the end, and I'm very tired of hearing my own voice. But let me know, would you prefer an extra long video over an hour long, or did you like the way that I broke it up into bite-sized chunks so you could dip in and out? I'd be really grateful if you'd let me have your comments, please. Now, if you'd like to own a copy of the book, and I highly recommend it, I mean, the amount of information contained within it is just mind-blowing. I've put a link in the description below, and you'll also find links to Anna's website and all her social media channels. If you've stuck with me throughout the entire series, I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please like, share and subscribe. It really does help my channel. And maybe in future there'll be a few more cosy videos to help you fall asleep to as well. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please give the video a like. It really helps YouTube share it with others who enjoy art books too. I post a new art book review every week, so if you'd like to see more, do consider subscribing. I truly appreciate it. If you found the review helpful, please feel free to leave a comment below. I reply to every one. And if there's an art book you'd like me to feature, just let me know. I'll do my best to review it for you. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy painting.